What's going on, guys? This is Taylor from the Southwest Wheel Warehouse. Today we're going to be looking at the 545 LB1E. This is going to be our 5 on 4.5 hub kit for a 3,500 pound axle using an 84 spindle. This is going to fit most of the Dexter, Alco, Lippert, Hayes axles. This won't fit any marine style axle. See right here, this is the box you'll get it in. Got our nice logo on there. And we'll pull our parts out here. We're going to have our 5 lug hub here with our 1/2 inch studs, and our races are already pressed in on both sides. And we're going to see here from outside to outside, this is about 6.5 inches, and then from outside to outside up here it's about 2.5, and then from the base to the top roughly 1 3/4. That's going to be the hub. And then we have our small parts here, and we're going to have our bolt circle guide. This is going to make sure that we sent you the right parts, and you can check the other parts and you'll have it for the future to make sure that you get the right size. You just pop that on there and it tells you which size it is. And we have our hubcap. We're going to have our inner and outer here. And our outer is going to be the 44649 and our inner is going to be the 68149. And we're going to get our 5 lug nuts. Like that, and then we're going to get our seal. This is going to be the 58846 DL seal. It's going to be 1.7 on the inside and 2.5 on the outside. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's the 545 LB1E.